Most mechanic shops give out 25 to 30 estimates every single week. And on average, only 8 of them are actually converted into a booking. The rest just disappear. No follow-up, no second message. The customer moves on, shops around, and books somewhere else. That's thousands of dollars walking out of the door every single month. Not because the shop is too expensive, but because nobody followed up. Here's what changes when there's a system in place. A customer asks for an estimate through a call, a web form, or even by walking in. The estimate goes out. If there's no response within 24 hours, the system automatically follows up with a check-in message. Not pushy, just present. If the estimate is a bigger job, the system might offer flexible scheduling or financing options. It meets the customer where they are. Once they confirm, the appointment is booked. A pre-visit checklist goes out so that they know what to expect. After the service, a review request is triggered. The whole thing runs without the shop manager even lifting a finger. Now think about this from a business perspective. If converting just 5 more estimates per month adds up $6,000 in revenue, that's your client's argument for the retainer. You're not selling them automation, you're showing them the money that they're leaving on the table. Auto repair is a massive niche. Virtually no one is selling the system as of yet. Comment mechanic and I'll share more details on how this is built.